In this video, I will compare the Coolzy portable air conditioner against traditional cooling methods to see why this unit stands out in a crowded market. Unlike standard portable units that struggle to cool an entire room, Coolzy is specifically designed for personal cooling, offering an apparent temperature drop of 7 to 15 degrees. The first thing you notice in a side-by-side comparison is the sheer efficiency. While a traditional portable AC can pull 1800 watts and cost about $4 a night to run, the Coolzy operates on just 340 watts. This translates to less than $1 per night, which is a massive trade-off in favor of your wallet. Weighing only 34 pounds, it is significantly smaller and lighter than the competition, making it easy to move between a bedroom and a home office. It is not a swap cooler, it is real refrigeration that works without needing water, providing instant 364, 50 BTU cooling. Users often describe it as a fridge blowing cool air directly at you. While it offers a quiet noise level between 44 and 54 decibels, the real standout feature is the zero installation cost compared to the thousands you might spend on central air. It is perfect for large open spaces like warehouses where traditional AC fails. Because of this high efficiency and localized focus, the brand has seen incredible demand across 32 countries. If you are looking for a way to stay cool without the power bill headaches, this portable unit is a clear winner for personal use. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tech comparisons. Let me know in the comments if you prefer personal cooling or room-wide AC.